But tonight we've got an update to a case that gained a lot of attention around here back in 2016. University of Toledo track star Janelle Noe was badly burned at a house party after Chris Housel poured alcohol onto an open flame. Housel was eventually charged with aggravated arson. He ended up taking a plea deal, and the judge found him guilty of underage consumption and criminal damage. Well, bring us to today. A judge grants Housel a request to have those records sealed. Megan Hartnett, she was in the courtroom this morning and reports on why the request was granted and how Noe's family is reacting to it.
The sealing of records for Christopher Housel is reopening wounds for the Noe family.
It's been a horrible 9 years, and of course it's going to go on forever for us.
9 years since Janelle Noe got second and third degree burns on more than half her body. In a letter she wrote to the judge, Janelle says she is still dealing with the physical and emotional scars caused by Housel. Housel's attorney, Jerome Phillips, says the nature of his client's charges makes it difficult for him to cross the border into Canada, which he has to do for work. Housel briefly spoke, saying it was a preventable and reckless accident.
The pain it caused is kind of immeasurable, and nothing I can say, or the remorse I had. Like, there's not a minute that goes by I don't think about it.
In court, Janelle's mom, Mindy, read the letter that her daughter wrote asking for Housel's request to be denied and detailing the scarring and lack of sensation she still experiences in her hands, in her arms, chest, and neck.
Then there are the emotional and mental impacts of those physical ones that leave me crying some nights or at random times of the day, ones that have kept me from fully living life throughout the past 9 years.
When granting Housel's request, Judge Ken Walz said Housel had been rehabilitated and has maintained a clear record. Noe's parents say they feel like Housel has been able to remove reminders of his actions, while this is something their family has to live with every day.
It's not fair to her to have to carry that burden every day for the rest of her life.
You know, we just hope that it hurts him as much as it hurts us.
Housel's attorney says sealing his record will help Housel with work, but there are still tons of articles and private servers that show what happened. Reporting in Toledo, Megan Hartnett, WTOL 11.